Don't make this mistake when looking to purchase a home, factoring in the closing costs. Right now, outside of your down payment, there are still closing costs, and in our current higher rate environment, they are higher than they normally would be when we see lower rates. The biggest reason for that is we have to account for things called points, or you may have heard it, buying the rate down. In some cases, the rate is going to be at the top of the rate that we can give, and there still might be points depending on your credit score. The higher the score, the better and more favorable terms you're going to have. But again, keep in mind, closing costs are going to be anywhere of around 3% of the purchase price, sometimes higher depending on if it's investment property, primary home. But the biggest thing you want to make sure is not to forget about those closing costs. Closing costs are negotiable. The down payment is not. You always have to come up with the down payment unless you're using a down payment assistance program. Closing costs themselves have to be paid for out of pocket or paid for by the buyer or seller.